Anytime you open Vectorworks, you always get this untitled file that it opens. It's kind of a default file. There's not a lot here, just a couple of classes and just one design layer. There's really not much reason to use this. If you've already been using Vectorworks and you know how to set up your file, you'll likely have files you've already started to work on. So you don't really want this blank document. You can always create a blank document if you need one. So it's a bit annoying to have this open up all the time. So let's just go to the Vectorworks preferences. So you go up to the menu bar and click on Vectorworks and click on preferences. And then you want to go to the session tab. So you might be defaulted to any of these other tabs if that's what you used on your last session. So let's go to session. And then we see down at the bottom, or the bottom third of this window, we see create a new document on startup. So we want to uncheck that box. Thank you very much, Vectorworks, and we'll say OK. And it doesn't automatically close this empty file for you, probably because you might have accidentally drawn something in here or whatever it be, so you don't want to just close a file on you. But if you do close this file, so Command W, we'll close the file. No, we don't want to save it. We never drew anything in that file. Vectorworks stays open, so we close the file. You can also, of course, go up here to File Close. There's the shortcut for File Close. And so we've closed it. We have no file open. Now you're free to open any other files. The way to check that this makes sense or it works is that if you restart Vectorworks and it opens, it doesn't open a blank file. It just shows you this blank screen. And if you have the auto hide palettes, you'll still be able to reveal those palettes. They're not related to any project file right now. They're just waiting for you to open one of your files and get to work on them. But you might see a blank screen and be like, oh no, Vectorworks isn't working. Well, as long as you have your message bar down there at the bottom, you see that Vectorworks is open. And if you've maximized your screen and everything, like we've kind of walked through in some steps previously, then you might have your menu bar just auto hidden up there. So don't freak out if you just get a blank screen like this. Just go up to your menu bar and go to your file menu and open your project file. Hi, thanks for tuning into this quick Vectorworks Spotlight tip from Tangibly. In case we've yet to meet, my name's Jacob. Welcome to Tangibly. If you find this content valuable, please consider liking and subscribing or following us down below. If you know anybody that could actually benefit from this content, please share it with them. It might actually save them a great deal of time. If you're looking for more training and support on Vectorworks Spotlight, you'll find this and many other workflow improvements at tangibly.com. That's tangably.com. That's where we offer a variety of masterclasses on Vectorworks Spotlight. So join us there, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.